This avocado salad dressing is so delicious, easy to make. It's nice and creamy, full of healthful ingredients, perfect for salad dressing, a spread on sandwiches, and a dip. Try it, you're gonna love it. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making avocado salad dressing. This is such a fresh, flavorful, creamy salad dressing. You're gonna love it. Super healthy, easy to make, only a few ingredients. Perfect on your salads and as a dip. The ingredients in this recipe are avocados, English cucumber, green onions, lemon juice, kosher salt, honey, dill weed, and garlic powder. So we're just gonna blend all these ingredients in the blender. May use a food processor as well. So we need 1 large or 2 small avocados. So this one is almost large. You could use 1.5 if it's not that big. 2 small. I think I'll use 1 and then part of a small one. Just scoop it out into the blender. To get the seed out, you can just take a knife, tap, twist, comes right out. So this is actually a pretty large avocado. If you want just a little more, you could take a smaller one and just chop off the part that you need. And I'm leaving most of it. So I'm just going to add a little more. And then you can store it in the fridge. When it has the seed in it, the seed helps keep it fresh, so put it in a container or a plastic bag in the fridge and you can use it like tomorrow or another time. So we'll just add a little more. You can adjust all these ingredients to your taste. Okay, next we have half of English cucumber. The English cucumber are those cucumbers that use those long cucumbers you see and they're already wrapped. So I've got half. Just chop it, it doesn't matter how because we're going to blend it up just in smaller pieces. Leave the peel on. If you don't have an English cucumber, you could use a regular cucumber, medium size. Make sure to peel it if you use a regular cucumber. Also, we need 2 chopped green onions, and it doesn't matter how you chop it because we're going to blend it up. So, and green onions can be bigger or smaller. I cut the hairy ends off and then the bad ends at the top and just chop it. So you can also adjust, if you have a big one or if they're real small, you might want 3. Next we have a 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Fresh is best. If you don't have it, just use bottled. Next, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And you could also use another type of salt if you prefer. Then we have 1 tablespoon of honey. You can adjust this to your taste if you like it sweeter or not so sweet. Then 1/2 teaspoon of dill weed. A 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I love garlic. Maybe I'll leave it a little heaping. So next I'm going to blend it until it's smooth. Start on low, increase it to high. Okay, let's check it. You want it nice and smooth and creamy. So that's good. So we'll get a dish, pour it in a dish next. I'm going to go ahead and chill it and we'll be back. Our avocado salad dressing is chilled and I'm ready to try it. This avocado dressing is perfect for salad, also as a spread for sandwiches, a dip, but my favorite is as a salad dressing. So let's try it. Here we go. This is so good. I love it. It's my favorite salad dressing. Try it. You're gonna love it too. So good.